Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. With Halloween approaching, I have decided to celebrate that by only eating and drinking orange foods. Starting with this carrot juice. So that's what I'm gonna drink today for breakfast. So I got my wine glass because everything is classier in a wine glass. No one says you can't pour carrot juice into this glass. Okay, so first item of the day, carrot juice. Gonna try not to cheat all day. That means no coffee. I'm not sure if I can get by with that one, but I'm gonna try. It's good, it's good. To go with the carrot juice, this doesn't actually go with the carrot juice, but I'm gonna go with it. I'm gonna be eating this original peach yogurt from Great Value. So yeah, gonna try this. Okay, this is a light orange color. I don't know if you can see this. The lighting's kind of off right now because it's 5:55 in the morning and I need to leave soon. So this is good. If you're in the market for some orange yogurt, this is a good one. I think even if I wasn't doing this, this is a good buy. Okay, I gotta hurry up and finish my breakfast because I gotta leave and go to work. Okay, I'm at work and it's time for lunch. I'm gonna start by cooking this orange colored Spanish rice in the microwave. And I have this prepared also. So I'm just gonna add the rice to my dish. Looks kind of healthy. Okay, so I got some sweet potatoes, orange bell pepper, carrots, and the rice. Hey guys, I just made it home from work and it's a crappy day. Let me show you. So it is raining outside now. Okay, so it's not actually raining right now, but it is wet outside. So I haven't really felt good all day because that's what happens when the weather is bad. My allergies get so bad. So I didn't get a chance to really eat that much today. So I had my lunch, but I didn't have some of the stuff that I had brought. So I want to show you guys what I had brought. Okay, so this was my lunch bag today. Okay, so I had brought these dried tangerine little fruit snacks. This was for my water, this orange early rise like little drink mix. And I brought an orange. Did I eat any of it? No, I did not. But that's fine because I'm gonna eat it now. Not now, but I'll probably eat it soon. So for dinner, I have brought this spicy crunch roll sushi. It's not like all orange if you look at all of it, but at the top of it, like look how orange this is. I'm gonna go ahead and count it because I'm hungry. I didn't have a lot to eat today and I'm just gonna eat this, okay? It's just what I'm gonna do. I'm counting it. So you could say I cheated, but I don't think so. Whatever. So I'm eating this, so just get with it, okay? Get with it. Ready for this. It's real good, y'all. It's real good. I don't know how. It's spicy, it's good, crunchy. It's the best way to celebrate Halloween coming up. Go get yourself some. Okay, so I just finished this sushi. I'm still kind of hungry. I am gonna open up this dried tangerine little bites because I think it's a little healthier than candy. So I know there's probably a lot of sugar. 18 grams, I don't care, I'm gonna eat it. Limited edition. How does this a limited edition? I don't get it. I don't care. These are good. These are real good. From Walmart. I'm gonna keep eating these. Just trying to chill after work, so what's better than eating? It is 6:40, it's time for my mid-evening snack. So I am gonna eat this orange, because it's orange and that's my color of the day. Somebody asked me if I was gonna eat only green tomorrow. The answer is no. I'm gonna eat whatever I want tomorrow. Okay, well, that took long enough. I got my oranges ready. Excited. It's delicious. Okay, so I'm gonna make some more of this orange early rise drink mix. No sugar. This is just water, regular water, just right from the sink. Okay. Okay, so orange drink. Goes great with my oranges. So, just over here having the orange kind of life. It is almost 8 o'clock and I'm gonna have this Minute Maid ice cream stuff. Okay, it's like super hard. I don't know if you can hear this. It's way too hard to eat right now. I'm gonna have to wait, so I'm gonna just let it sit. I'll try back in like 20 minutes. Okay, I think it's still pretty hard. Been a long time, but at least I can eat it now. Delicious. Thanks for watching this interesting video. I'll see you guys tomorrow.